Hello, class 10. This session is for you. Let us continue the chapter. This we are doing now. Median exercise 26.2. Exercise sum number 1. Selling price for the last week were 107. What is given? Let us write the number 107, 201, 92, 52, 113, 75, 195. Okay, now this is 7 days selling price given. For 1 week, 7 days selling price given. So let us find the median of the selling price for the whole week. Okay, so what we will at first, let us arrange the data in ascending order first. Let us arrange the data in ascending order. So what we will do? Let us arrange the data in ascending order. Let us arrange in ascending order. Okay, what we will write? At first 52, then 75, then 92, then 107, then 113, then 195, then 201. Okay, now how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7 days, obviously 7 selling price, so n equals to 7. Here n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7 means which is odd or even? Yes, which is odd. So what is the formula to find out the odd number when this is not the grouped data or for ungrouped data? So median equals to, we know median is n plus 1 by 2 with observation. N plus 1 by 2 with observation. This is the median. So n means 7. 7 plus 1 is 2, 8. 8 by 2 is, that is fourth observation. Understood? So write here 7 plus 1 by 2th observation, and then we can write 8 by 2. So it is coming fourth observation. Is coming fourth observation. Fourth observation means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is coming what? 107. 107 is the fourth observation. Okay, so let us count 107. That gives us the fourth observation. So we will just write this as fourth observation. This is the fourth observation. Therefore, what we will write? Therefore, what is the median? Required median is 107. This is the answer. 100 and this is the, here also you can write 107. This is 107. This is the answer. Clear everyone? I think now it's clear to you. Next, sum number 3. What is sum number 3? Sum number 3. Marks obtained by 14 students are 42, 51, 56, 45, 62, 59, 50, 52, 55, 64, 45, 54, 58, 60. Find the median of obtaining marks. Okay, so how many students are there? Are 14 students and 14 marks. So let us arrange the marks in ascending order. So in ascending order, marks are, let us write this. So 42, 45, 45, 50, 51, 52, 54, 55, 56, 58, 59, 60, 62, 64. These are the marks. How many numbers are there? N equals to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So N is coming 14. Clear? So N is 14 means this is even number. Here it was odd, now it is even, which is even. Which is even. So when it is even number, already I have said, so therefore median will be what? If it is even number, then median is, if it is even, then median will be n by 2th observation. So 14 by 2th observation plus 14 by 2 plus 1. 14 by 2 plus 1th observation. Whole divided by 2. Okay, 14 by 2 means 7. So 7th observation plus 7 plus 1, 8th observation divided by 2. So what is 7th observation and what is 8th observation? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is 54 and 8 is 55. So let us add 54 plus 55 whole divided by 2. 54 plus 55, that is 109 by 2. 109 by 2, which is equal to 54.5, which is the answer. I think now it's clear to you. Okay. Next is, it is given, the frequency is there. Frequency is there. Now let me rub the board. Sum number 5. Find the median of the weight from the following frequency distribution. So let us draw the table first. Weight, number of students, and then cumulative frequency. Okay. What is given? Weight given in kg. So write here weight kg. Number of students is F, and here cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Okay, so now it is coming 43, next 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, then 50. Okay, and what are the number of students? Find the median of the weight from the following frequency distribution table. Okay, number of students, when 43 kg, there are 4 students. 4 students are there with 43 kg, and 6 students are there with 44 kg. Next is 8 students with 45, 14 students with 46, 12 students with 47, 10 students with 48, 11 students with 49, and 5 students with 50. Okay. Now, let us add this first, this part, sigma f. Now add this, by adding this, 70. Add all these, we will get here, this is 70. Okay, now how to find the cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency, that means here we will write 4, the same one. Okay, and then we will add. Cumulative means when the addition is going on. So 4 plus 6, add will be like this. 6 plus 4, that gives us 10. So it is coming 10. Next we will add with 10 to 8. So we will get here 10 and 8, it is coming 18. Next we will add with 14. So it is coming 14 plus 18 is coming 32. Like this we will add. Then 32 plus 12, 32 plus 12, that gives us 44. Okay, next 44 plus 10, it is coming 54. 54 plus 10, it is coming 65. Okay, now 65 plus 10, it is coming 70. Now see, here we have got this number of students as 70, and here again the last value of cumulative frequency should be the same, and this equals to n or this equals to n we will consider. Okay, so now n is equal to 70. N is equal to 70, which is even number. Which is even number. When it is even, therefore median will be what? Median will be 70 by 2th observation plus 70 by 2 plus 1th observation whole divided by 2. Okay, so 70 by 2 is 35. So 35 plus 36. 35 plus 35, 35th observation plus 36th observation whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. Okay, which is equal to 35th plus 36. So 35th observation for when it will be given in this order, that means in tabular form in with the frequency. Then from the cumulative frequency we will find out the 36th frequency and 35th frequency. So 35th we know here, 32 given here. So 36 and 35 is not given. So we will consider this one, 44. This range we will consider. This one. Understood everyone? This one, this number we will consider. So what we will write now? 70 by 2th observation we will write 44. So it is coming 44. Obviously it is 44 because this number is 44 plus 44 because 35th and 36th same number here. 44 divided by 2. So obviously answer is 44. No, it's not. The weight is 47 though, not 44. No? Yes, this is showing here 47, not 44. Sorry. This is showing 47. It is not 44. 47. See, this arrow is here. 47. So it is coming 47 by 2 plus 40. Observation is 47. 47 plus 47 by 2. That is again 47. Okay. Coming next sum coming with new video.